Hello everybody, your doctor has already scheduled your embryo transfer. Let me tell you how an IVF lab prepares for embryo transfer. It's a frozen embryo transfer cycle. Your embryos are already frozen in liquid nitrogen at -196 degrees. Once your embryo transfer date is decided, depending on what day your embryos are frozen, are they 4-cell or 8-cellular embryos? Majority of the embryos nowadays are frozen on day 3, which are 8-cell. Your embryos go through the thawing process. The thawing process is where the embryos are taken out of the liquid nitrogen and they are put into a thawing media, thawing solution. Once the thaw is complete, the recovery of the embryos is noted. How many embryos were there in the straw? The name is confirmed, the quality of the embryo is confirmed, and after thaw the embryos are graded again. Now these embryos will be kept for extended culture in the incubator. They have to grow from day 3 to morula and morula to day 5. On day 5, you will be called to the clinic for embryo transfer and the embryologist will be grading the blastocyst embryos on day 5. So let's say for example, there are 3 embryos that were thawed on day 3 at 8-cellular stage. Now we decide whether 1, 2 or 3, how many blastocysts have formed. The blastocysts are graded accordingly. If there are 3 excellent blastocysts, 1 or 2 will be transferred and 1 extra will be frozen. Let's say there are only 2 good quality blastocysts, they will be transferred. If there is only 1 good quality blastocyst, there are no remaining embryos, that 1 good quality blastocyst will be transferred. This is how your lab prepares for embryo transfer. You have to visit the clinic on the day of your embryo transfer with full urinary bladder. It is required to bring the uterus and cervix in the straight line, which helps the procedure of embryo transfer. You might be advised to drink water and come, or if it is under anesthesia, once you reach the clinic, the sister will give you an IV fluid which will help the doctor fill your bladder. Then you are taken in the OT and under sonography, the urinary bladder, how full it is it too full, is it full, not enough, that is checked for. And once the uterus and cervix are in the same line, you are posted for embryo transfer. Name check is something which is a standard step which is performed at each and every point in the embryo transfer. The starting part of the embryo transfer is not very painful but slightly uncomfortable. Yes, you can ask your doctor for a mock embryo transfer before the final embryo transfer day so that you are not very anxious and scared at the time of embryo transfer. The process of embryo transfer includes first visualizing the cervix, cleaning the cervix of the cervical mucus or any other problem, flushing the vaginal cavity of all the discharge, then using the outer catheter of the embryo transfer catheter and placing it properly under USG guidance in the uterine cavity, loading the internal catheter with the embryos and guiding them through the outer catheter into the uterine cavity and placing the embryos. This entire procedure is performed under ultrasonographic guidance. Once the embryos are placed, you will be asked to rest for 15-20 minutes to 30 minutes and then your doctor will explain you the further medications. That's your embryo transfer day. Thank you.